Yo guys, what's going on? Hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day. So I'm just quickly gonna share a little tip that I accidentally found this. I didn't know it actually was a thing. But if you're in, I just set this up, these windows up. If you don't know how to do that, you just bring your mouse to the top and until it like makes this little plus sign, right? And then you drag and you'll see this little line appear, and here you can like make new windows like so, for example. And if you want to like merge them together, you make the plus sign again, bring it up until it highlights both screens, and then let go, and then it, boom, merges it both. But anyways, the cool thing that I found was if you hover over one of these tabs, now you find these tabs in UV editing and texture painting, and shading and a few others. If you press Control Spacebar, you make the size of this, you know, this little viewport massive, like the entire screen, almost as if you're working in modeling, without closing the other screens, because you're just increasing the size. I was like, oh my word, this is insane. I didn't know it works, or I didn't know it existed. I just accidentally pressed Control Spacebar and it worked. So yeah, I thought I'd quickly share that with you guys. So if you press Control Spacebar again, or press back to previous, voila, you bring everything back. So okay, now I've finished working on my model. I've gone into editing mode, changed everything. I digress. But anyways, you bring your mouse down to the the shading place, Control Spacebar, and voila, you've got a massive viewport screen for just editing your textures, which when textures become more complicated, you're definitely going to need more viewport space. So yeah, I just thought I'd share this with you guys. I really hope it helps, and yeah, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one.